Do you want to learn how to make jewelry in precious metals like gold and silver? I've been working in the jewelry industry as a professional goldsmith and diamond setter since 1998, and I've trained numerous students in my studio over the years. Over the years I have seen an increasing need for quality training programs in the jewelry industry. This has inspired me to create online jewelry courses to reach a wider audience of eager and willing students to learn the art of jewelry making. If online jewelry making courses is something that you are interested in, just click on the link in the description below to join my mailing list. Here is one of my jewelry students, and this is what he has to say on the training that I provide.
Hey guys, my name is Neil Harris. I've been doing lessons with Jan Hendrik for about 4 months now. I did have a little bit of experience in the beginning, but even my first day, so much learned on stuff that I thought that I already knew. It's definitely worth the money that I've been investing in, and I've learned a hell of a lot. It's, super happy with the training that I've been doing.
My beginner's online jewelry training course is divided into 6 modules. Module 1 covers aspects of studio layout and the basic tools and equipment needed for a basic jewelry making setup. Module 2 covers metal preparation like melting and rolling metal, and making sheet and wire. Module 3 covers sewing techniques, which are crucial to jewelry making. Module 4 covers aspects like filing. Module 5 covers soldering techniques to assemble the parts of your jewelry item that you are creating. Finally, Module 6 covers finishing and polishing your jewelry item to attain a high quality finish. If this is something that you are interested to learn, remember to click on the link in the description below to join my mailing list.